Here we are in tomato plants, tomato crop. Here you can observe infected tomato plant. Even these two. What gets affected to this? See, so it is having a black discoloration of in the collar region, and it might be affected with collar rot, as we can see. Affected with the collar rot, or also we can say alternaria stem rot. The pathogen is alternaria linearia. So that gets affected is to control this we can use any fungicides, generally biocontrol agents like trichoderma, 4 grams per kg of seed. We can do a seed treatment with trichoderma, and a chemical treatment with mancozeb and carboxin also we can use, and 2 grams per liter of water, and then we can give a sealing dip. And before selecting the seeds or seedlings, so we have to observe properly in the nursery stage itself whether any seedlings got affected by this collar rot or any other diseases like that. If the seedlings are healthy, then only we can choose, or else it will be affected in the later stages. See how the seedlings is appearing. It's almost a 30 days, so 25 to 30 days old seedling. Yeah. And if it gets affected more severely, first thing I have to do is just collect and destruct it. Collection and destruction. Just remove the wherever the plants or seedlings are affected. You just collect it and throw far away from your field and destruct it.